dadaan. Dito lang.
Okay. Nag-entry mismatch pa nga. Anyway, I'm in MRT. My beep card is cute. I mean the card holder.
Running from things that you know, just trying to find where to live, but it's not bringing me home. As if hope was a pill or a bottle or a phone that could hold me and heal all my sorrow, but still nothing upholds me and frees my tomorrow like you. Ooh. With you I see the morning always comes. With you I hear the story told by love. And never leave a diamond in the rough. There's better seasons rising like the sun, 'cause morning always comes. Sometimes I'm fine in the backseat. Feels like my life's passed past me. And I get
Say
so
hi to the
caught up in
camera.
things I forget 10 days from last week. There's too much blessing every day for me to leave on the shelf. Just lift your head, 'cause there's no reason you should be by yourself. 'Cause life is a gift worth more than trying to survive. The sun still rises tomorrow, if it's 9 or it's 5. If you're looking for goodness, then that's what you'll find. With you I see the morning always comes. With you I hear the story told by love. You never leave a diamond in the rough. There's better seasons rising like the sun, 'cause morning always comes. Morning always, yeah, morning always comes. And morning always, yeah, morning always comes. Oh, morning always, yeah, morning always comes. It was dark for a while, but I can see the light. Lost my heart for a while, but now I'm feeling right. Hold your hope in the trial until you leave the night. Morning always, oh morning always. It was dark for a while, but I can see the
Vlogger,
light.
say hi to the
Lost my
camera.
heart for a while.
Hey. Yeah. T-shirt secured.
Nakapass kayo na pala.
Ha?
Nabili mo na pala.
Ang
SD card.
Oo, nakabili nga ako. Naghanap ako sa marketplace kadiri. Speed lang.
Hindi naman napatay. Pag sinaksak mo sa computer, wala namang ano yung computer mo.
Alas 12.
Yung alas 12 na yun. So, sino pa yung malapit yun ng... Ha? Ayun. I wanna try. It's so cute. Ah, gets ko na nga lumamig siya. Di ba pwedeng ipainit? Pwede kaya? Pwede kaya ipainit? Siguro. Ito. Huwag na. Ito lang. Ay, okay na. Anong oras ka natulog kagabi?
12. Tapos nagising ako ng 7.
Ako 12:30 ako nakatulog yan. Taste test.
Ganun mo.
3 lang.
Ganun mo. Iwan ka lang.
It's so cute! So cute!
Nakabok na kayo. Sa oven mo yun. Feel ko ito, yung oven condensate.
I like matcha.
Eh, sino ba yung ayaw? Sa atin?
Theory. Lasang damo daw.
Pero ano, pinipili.
May matcha kasi na hindi siya lasang damo.
Yung nalaman niya nga na
At sinabihan mo na siya.
sinabi ko lang sa kanya, tapos sabi niya, ganun yung nagpapakita.
Eh, alam na nga niya, di ba? Pinagalitan siya.
Pagalitan mo ba? Pag ilan na pa. Kaya siya sa akin. Nung nagtatransfer ako.
Kasi ang laki.
Pwedeng mag-ano. Nakakaya pala mag-ano, maganto.
Yun lang.
Yun lang, naiiyak. Thank you. Thank you. Ah. We're done. So, ito na yung ano, yung magic shop. Magic shop? Ito na pa yung magic shop.
Elflo, ay, yun na lang. Yun yung YouTube name mo ah. Elfluencer.
Elfluencer. Hi! Hi! Say hi to the camera.
Christine.
Hi!